Which bank has launched the KYC account opening VAO facility for savings bank accounts? IDBI Bank. From which state India has flagged off the 40 ISCA? Goa. RBI has issued rupees 5,500 crore zero coupon bonds for the recapitalization of which bank? Punjab and Sindh Bank. At which city Dharmendra Pradhan has inaugurated India's first of its kind migrant worker cell? Surat. Which country has passed a bill making abortion valid? Argentina. The well-preserved remains of Ice Age woolly rhino were found in which nation? Russia. The first wooden satellite of the world will be launched by which country in 2023? Japan. The Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has bagged orders worth of what amount hydropower projects in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana? ₹3,200 crore. Who has been elected as the president of the All India Chess Federation? Sanjay Kapoor. Who was appointed as the new Chief Justice of the Common High Court for Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh? Pankaj Mittal. In which country Tesla has launched its largest supercharger facility? China. Which state government has rolled out the Launchpad scheme? Madhya Pradesh. Which bank has launched WhatsApp banking? Bank of Baroda. The World Day of War Orphans is observed on which date? January 6th. Which company has signed MOU with Maharashtra Metro for the implementation of advanced biodigester MK2 technology? DRDO.